These are Hong Kong style egg tarts, light, silky, and just sweet enough. No burnt tops, no heavy cream. Today, I'll show you how bakeries in Hong Kong make them at home. We'll start with a classic shortcrust pastry, then make a smooth custard filling. Simple ingredients, technique matters most. First, the crust. Rub cold butter into flour until it looks like fine sand. This creates a tender, crumbly texture. Add powdered sugar and 1 egg yolk. Then, just a little cold milk enough to bring the dough together. Do not overwork the dough. Wrap it and let it rest in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. For the custard, dissolve sugar completely in hot water. Let it cool slightly. Whisk the eggs gently. No bubbles, we want silk, not foam. Add the sugar water and evaporated milk. This is the traditional Hong Kong flavor. Now, strain the custard. And strain it again. This single step makes all the difference. Roll the dough thin, about 2 millimeters. Line the tart molds and lightly prick the bottom. Fill each tart only 80% full. Overfilling causes bubbles and cracking. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 18 minutes. You're looking for a slight jiggle in the center. No browning, no puffing. This is a perfect Hong Kong style egg tart. Silky custard, light crust. Best eaten within 2 hours, just like in Hong Kong bakeries. If you enjoyed this recipe, like and subscribe for more classic Hong Kong cafe dishes. Leave a comment if you want the flaky pastry version next.